Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to upload videos on Steam. So, let's get right into the process. First of all, you need to open Steam. For that you can access its website, or you can download its desktop app. After logging into your account, you'll see some options on the top. You need to select the community option from here. After that, you'll see a screen with some popular game communities. For instance, I am clicking this community right here. You can pick any other game community that's available. Now here, you have to click on this videos option. From this screen, you have to click on the Upload a Video option. Here it says No matching videos found. Now you have to select this link a YouTube account option. On this screen, you have to click this green Access your YouTube videos button. It will then ask your permission to connect your Google account with Steam Community. And that's it. After linking your YouTube account, you can upload videos on Steam. The process was pretty simple and straightforward, right? For more useful how-to videos and guides, subscribe and keep following my YouTube channel.